Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to do question number 3 of exercise 9.1. A ladder 10-meter long is made to rest against as wall. Its lower end touches the ground at the distance from 6 cm the wall. At what height above the ground the upper end of the ladder rests against the wall? A ladder 10-meter long, it means that, for example, this is ladder and the length of the ladder is 10 meter. Its lower end touches the ground. This is its lower end touches the ground at the distance of 6 cm from the wall. The distance is 6 cm. At what height above the ground the upper end of the ladder
root against the wall?
So this is the height. We suppose x. Find the height. So according to the given condition of question, we use Pythagoras theorem because we have two values and this is hypotenuse, this is base and this is altitude. So the triangle is named as ABC and AB is 10 cm, AC is 6 cm and BC is not given. According to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is AB which is 10 and then base is AC which is 6, altitude is BC which is x. By putting the values, 10 square is 100 equals to 6 meter, 6 6 the 36 and then x square. 100 36 on the other side, subtract 36 from 100, we get 64. Now x square equals to 64 meters square. By taking the square root on both sides, we get x equals to 8 because the 8 is a perfect square of 64. So at 8 meter the upper end of ladder rests against the wall. Question number 4. In triangle ABC, right angle is at point C. It means the angle of 90 at point C. BC is 2.1 cm and AC is 7.2 cm. We draw a triangle and draw angle of 90 at C. This is A and the base is B. So AC is 7.2, BC is 2.1 and AB is not given. We find AB. What is the length of the AB? So by using the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to base square plus altitude square. So hypotenuse is x, base is 7.2 centimeter square plus 2.1 centimeter square which is altitude. Then square the both values, 7.2 and 2.1. 7.2 multiplied by 7.2, 2 to the 4, 2 7 the 14, then 2 7 the 14, 1 carry 7 7 the 49 and 150. Now add the both values and then mark a point after 1 and 1 2 values. Similarly, 2.1 square which is 2.1 multiplied by 2.1, 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, then 2 twos are 4. Add the both values, 1, 2 and 2, 4, then 4. Mark a point after 2 values according to the given values. Then we get 51.84 centimeter square plus 4.41 centimeter square. Now add the both values, we get 56.25 centimeter square by taking the square root on both sides. So according to the division method, we make pair and then take a value as well as quotient and divisor. 7 7s are 49. Subtract 49 from 56. We get 7. Then bring down the pair 25. Double the value 7, which is 14. Then take an other value as quotient and divisor. 145 multiplied by 5. We get 725. 7.5 centimeter is the answer. So length of measurement AB is 7.5 centimeter. The next question we have, in the given figure prove that a square minus x square equals to b square minus y square. We have a triangle in which there is two other right angle triangles. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, we have a values a, b, c, d. So हमारे पास इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है, उसके अंदर जो है वो गिवन हमारे पास टू ट्रायंगल्स हैं. और अगर हम इस ट्रायंगल को देखें जिसका नाम ओ बी सी दिया गया है, ओ बी सी ट्रायंगल के मुताबिक हमारे पास ए जो है वो हाइपोटेनियस है, बी सी हमारे पास जो कि एक्स है वो बेस है, और सी डी जिसमें सी हमारे पास जो है वो अल्टीट्यूड है. वैल्यूज़ पुट करने के बाद हमारे पास हाइपोटेनियस इज़ ए स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू बेस इज़ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस अल्टीट्यूड इज़ सी स्क्वायर. सो इफ़ यू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ सी, एक्स स्क्वायर यहाँ पर प्लस है, जब इसको दूसरी तरफ लेके जाएंगे ये माइनस हो जाएगा. सी स्क्वायर हमारे पास आ जाएगा ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर के बराबर. इसी तरह दूसरी जो ट्रायंगल है उसमें जो कि हमारे पास ओ ए और सी है, सो ओ सी हमारे पास जो है वो अल्टीट्यूड है, ओ ए हमारे पास हाइपोटेनियस है जो कि बी है, और सी ए हमारे पास बेस है जो y है. हाइपोटेनियस बी स्क्वायर, बेस इज़ वाई स्क्वायर एंड देन अल्टीट्यूड इज़ सी स्क्वायर. सी की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे तो हमारे पास बी स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर आएगा. एक सी स्क्वायर हमारे पास आया ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर जो कि ट्रायंगल ओ बी सी से आया. इसी तरह दूसरा सी स्क्वायर की वैल्यू हमारे पास आई बी स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर जो ट्रायंगल ओ ए सी से आया. दोनों वैल्यूज़ को कंपेयर करेंगे. सो बाय कंपेयरिंग द इक्वेशन 1 and 2, ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू बी स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर, hence prove that a square minus x square equals to b square minus y square. The next question, question number 7, if a b c are the length of the side of triangle ABC, then tell which of the following triangles are not right angle triangle. Any of the angle A, angle B and angle C may be a right angle. So we have a value A equals to 6, B equals to 5 and C equals to 7. By using the Pythagoras theorem, C square equals to A square plus B square. C जो है वो हमारे पास 7 है, A हमारे पास 6, B हमारे पास 5 है. By putting the value, C is 7, so 7 square is 49. A is 6, 6 square is 36. B is 5, 5 square is 25. Now add the both values. We get 61 and 7 square is 49. So the answer is not equal. It means that this triangle is not a right angle triangle. So hence the side A, B, C are not length of right angle triangle. The next we have values a equals to 12, b equals to 5 and c equals to 13. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, c square equals to a square plus b square. By putting the values of a, b and c is 13 square, which is 169, a is 12 square, which is equal to 144, then plus b, which is 5, and 5 square is 25. At the both values 144 and 25, we get 169. The square of the 13 is 169, so the both sides are same. So sides a, b, c are the length of the right angle triangle. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.